ICCT stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I've been looking at iCore Connect, a very beautiful bullish market, and all I'm looking to do is obviously still keep buying. Now, generally speaking, since I've done well over 39,000 videos and have most proof documented in this space, all I'm looking to do is still long as the rules are met. So what does that mean? So I'm looking to buy as long as my confirmation is met. Before, I do have the video proof demonstration to back up my claim when I said like, I'm looking to take things up right here. And this was made like 3 days ago. And since this has delivered, I'm looking for the same exact freaking thing. Let's pull down here. Yeah, so for that same exact freaking thing, all I'm looking to do is buy here as long as I see this. And if I don't see that, then obviously I'm not going to be buying. That is generally how my things looking like with ICCT. This is by no means financial advice. I will obviously continue to keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned regarding this and want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.